On this episode of Wrenching and Wheeling, Brandon eats 2 chicken fillet sandwiches.
Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Wrenching and Wheeling. Now, the last couple of videos have been off-roading videos, and we got to kind of get back a little bit to the actual wrenching side. So we have the JL here, and we have our hard hats for safety. And Brandon, what are we going to be doing today?
We're gonna stay safe.
We're going to stay safe.
We're gonna throw on a best top, soft top, track top, NX, slant back.
So much.
All to good.
So much to say. All right, well, we got it. We got the Grom here, but mainly in the box. Yep. So we're gonna put that on that. Here we go. Doing a great job.
Oh yeah. First screw. We're half hour in on first screw.
You got all the brackets over here done, the major pieces and whatnot. There's still a lot of hardware, but he started working on the actual soft top, putting the hardware on that, and then we'll start putting it on there. I just took the Grom around the block. That was a lot of fun. So right now, he has the brackets going on here. He already has the side ones all the way already put on. He's getting those going. You can see on the front how it hooks up right here. Bolts into the factory spots, everything. So now he's just bolting the main brackets down. So when he goes to put the soft top on, to be able to, oh, I just noticed this. Cracked his windshield. So, all right, we're gonna keep going. They left me alone. So wanted to also show you guys, remember, any wheeling event, you come out and meet us, you get one of our 3 koozies. We got purple, camo, and black. Free koozie just for showing up to an event. Ask anybody that showed up to any Wrenching and Wheeling event, they've gotten a free koozie and had a blast. So we invite you guys, everyone, to come out and wheel with us. All right. Well, Brandon is in depth on the instruction manual on how to figure this thing out and how he's going to install it. A couple things. I got married, so that's why we haven't had any content in a little bit. We're doing this video, and then the next video is going to be Hot Springs. Now, I won't be able to be going to the Hot Springs trip at all. My company is sending me to Virginia for like a training, so I'll be there all week, so I've been completely missed the Hot Springs trip. But Brandon and the crew has promised me that we're going to get good footage, and I'll be able to put it together for you in our Hot Springs episode. So stay tuned. We're gonna finish up on this install and we'll keep rocking on this.
Okay, so we've made a lot of progress finishing up putting the soft top frame on, and then we'll be sealing up the top.
Final steps now, huh?
Gotta get this Velcro done and put the windows in. What a bitch this has been.
What was the hardest part about it?
That's fucking shitty hardware.
So if you have a message to those people who made this, what would you say?
Fuck off.
It looks really good though. I like this.
Oh yeah, those pockets are so.
Now what?
Install the windows.
We've been here since
11.
12:30 conservatively. It's now 4 o'clock and I'm splicing this video and cutting it so it seems just seconds and minutes for y'all. but it's actually been 4 hours, and this is how far we've gotten. So the top folds up like this, and then when you want it down, it folds down. Now it won't, the factory top folds all the way back down, but he got the slant top. The middle section does not come off, nor, oops, I'm getting in the way of him installing it. Does not come off or open up. All right, Brandon, final thoughts.
That was much harder than I thought it was going to be. A lot harder than the TJ was.
All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. That ends this episode.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Peace out.